Hi fellas, Ben back again on another one. A quick review of the RALCO Motocross. Well, I'm no tire expert, neither am I an off-road expert, so kindly don't expect me to go about giving you the right feedback on tire choice. But from whatever it is that I am somebody who's an avid learner and somebody who's an enthusiast who goes out riding almost twice or thrice a week into all kinds of terrain, soft terrain, hard terrain, name it, and I'm there testing these lovely mods that I do to my motorcycles. Testing these mods and then improving them, iterating them, making them better and better and better and more suited to my style of riding, my expectations of these mods. With that, we have the RALCO Motocross on the motorcycle. The motorcycle was running the Trail R, which is a fantastic tire from Race. Race Moto put out a unbelievably good tire called the Trail R. And I am 1000% sold on that tire. There's absolutely no denying it. Why did I switch back to motocross tires? Is because I am getting the new 450. The new 450 is going to be the workhorse. The new 450 is going to be taking me around on tarmac, and I will have this fellow dedicated to these beautiful landscapes. I only wish to continue riding on off-road terrain with the Himi or Ben here. I do not wish to take this on tarmac, and I see no point in holding on to that lovely set of tires on this machine and slowly wearing them out. Rather, I would have them put on the new 450 once I have it in my hands. Immediately, I'm going to swap the tires immediately. So that was the reason. That's the only reason why I switched to these tires. These tires have been sent by a good friend, Maria Tyre World, or tire dealer down south in Tamil Nadu, and he has pretty much all the variety available for the Himalayan, all kinds of terrain. He has about 6-7 varieties of tire choices for the Himalayan. I mean, and the best part is the tires landed at my doorstep under 24 hours. That's how prompt he is. He's always been kind and sincere, and he's always seen to it that he shipped the tires almost immediately. When I clicked the button order, he would have had it prepped and shipped. This is only an off-road tire, hardcore off-road tire, not a road tire. Yes, of course you can use it on the roads, but if you were to, then all that you need to keep in mind is you need to be extremely cautious during the learning curve. During the learning curve, do not end up pushing and playing with the tires. Don't end up leaning too much. Don't end up braking hard, expecting that the bike would work like how it would before you swap to the motocross tires. It would not. It will be a totally new learning curve, a totally new set of requirements from these motocross tires. Be very, very, very cautious and very aware of that fact that this changes the ball game completely. Now, coming to off-road, hardcore off-road performance. Well, if you were to compare this to the Maxxis has a knobby tire. I've just ridden a short stretch on off-road terrain on that tire, and I guarantee it, that tire is better than this by a large margin. Not a small margin, a large margin. That is so much more a sticky rubber. Well, this isn't. This is more like a all-rounder kind of a rubber. It takes a lot of the tarmac and still holds good. If you were to take the Maxxis and keep doing tarmac, if you were to keep doing tarmac with it, the tire will be gone in no time. It's that sticky, soft compound, I believe. There are other tires from Maxxis, and now Race has also come up with their own version of a motocross tire. I don't know how good that is. I'm yet to try it, but I for sure know that this would be much more of a long-term tire choice than those lovely sticky motocross tires. These tires help you become a more dedicated off-road rider, then so be it. That's the only intention behind making this video. Yeah, so switching between the tires is not a good idea. It's because you will continue to lose all that you've gained. You would have forgotten how to go about handling this. Yes, it will get to the muscle memory, but that's 2 or 3 years of practicing. But if you were to put these tires on, start a learning curve, and then were to ditch them, 2 or 3 months down the line, all that you have developed, all the skills that you've learned, acquired, that would be gone in no time. So keep that in mind, fellas, before you start playing with tire choices. Well, if this helped, it helped. That was it. One intention: throw these tires on, become an off-road rider, or stay away from them. This is not for everyone. If this helps, it helps. Ben signing out for now. Ciao. Sand, tractor, rut. Wow. High speed rail riding, here we come.